Hi guys!
Welcome back to our channel.
Guess who's back?
Back again. We are back. Part 3.
We bring you another part of our Halloween theme, part 3.
This, I think, was one of our favourite looks to do.
It is pretty good. It is pretty
For
good.
this look, I was wearing Lash Style LL03.
And I'm wearing Lash Style MC08. In this look, I am my favourite. I'm a vampire.
And I'm a werewolf. Ah, woo.
We hope you've enjoyed these videos.
They were so much fun to make, guys. Honestly, I recommend it.
Yeah, definitely give it a go. Stay tuned because next week we have a follow-up part.
Or see you then. Ciao.
Bye.